Oh. It's groaning already. Man, this is faster than I thought.
Yeah, it's not like going very slow, is it?
No, I thought that it would kind of give you a minute. But
No, we're already, you should see Sky Rush's lift though. That thing like hauls. That thing goes like 20 miles an hour up there. Like it doesn't even feel like a lift, it feels like a launch.
oh, fuck.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, fuck.
Here,
That's deep.
Here, here it is. That's not rough at all for how old it is. It's not bad.
For yourself.
Yeah. Whoa, airtime. Oh my god.
Oh, no, not again.
Oh my god, bird.
Oh, wow. Oh. Oh my god. Oh boy. Oh my god. Sweat.
Oh, you hear the upstop wheel?